Hey, this is Alex Astley, and it's episode number 114 of Money Hacks. The theme of today's video is spring cleaning for your retirement accounts. You might be doing this inside of your house right now, getting into your old closets and finding stuff that you haven't been wearing or haven't been using and looking to clean them out of your house, maybe have a yard sale or donate them to an organization that will get them to somebody who can use those goods or items. Well, we suggest that you do some type of spring cleaning when it comes to your financial accounts too, specifically your 401k, 403b, or IRA accounts. So I'm going to give you 3 tips on some healthy financial account spring cleaning items. The first one is to take a look at your retirement accounts, take a look at your investment accounts, and make sure you've got the right investment mix. Are you saving and investing in a way that's right for you? So make sure your investment allocation aligns with your age, time horizon, and risk profile for that specific account. And while you're doing that, specifically for your retirement accounts, look at how much you're saving. Are you getting the full employer matching contribution, or are you saving enough to get on track for your long-term financial goals? While you're in there, second spring cleaning tip, review your beneficiaries or name your beneficiaries. We find a lot of investors who've not named a beneficiary on their retirement accounts. This is imperative. You know, if something were to unexpectedly happen to you, your beneficiaries, when they're named, are going to be the individual or individuals who will receive this money. And so you want to make sure it's set up in a way that's aligned with your wishes. We find a lot of times people don't set beneficiaries, or you think you set one up through your employer, but maybe that was the life insurance you get through your organization or something else. So go into your account and your various retirement accounts and make sure you've named your beneficiaries. And if something's changed, if you had a life event, update those beneficiaries. The third spring cleaning tip is to reset your password. Set a strong password for your financial accounts and set up multi-factor authentication, either a text confirmation or using an authenticator app. In fact, you should do this across all of your accounts and make sure you're using different passwords. Too many of us set one password across all the different things we have to log into on our computer, and that means if a bad actor or a hacker gets access to, one account that they can get your password on, they can kind of go and get access to a lot of your personal information, including your financial information. So I'm sure there are many more spring cleaning tips you could think about when it comes to your retirement savings. Feel free to share what you think might be a good tip or two. Thanks. See you again soon.